We are so lucky here in Poihake. The whanaungatanga I have seen has been tremendous. They haven't yet realised who they're representing. They think they're Raranga Whanui. You're only a portion. You're representing Poihake, and then you've gone down to Canberra. Now you're representing Australia in itself. The purpose of why we're here is to transform the whānau, to transform the hapu, to transform the iwi, and ultimately to transform us as Māori people. It's got a lot to do with our parents' legacy. They've been 60 years in kapa haka, and I've seen the way that people have developed and grown through their teaching. Through us and through our children, we're able to bring many more communities together to learn about who we are. Is the hope.
It's a step forward, never a step backwards.
This is our whānau.
Trust is the final key that they need. Excitement, excitement, excitement.
Awesome support out there, you know. I still get nervous, you know. The haka. Yeah, as usual, that's about it, really.
Ka kete koto katoa.
Meke, me.
It can be done. It can be done.